X, X is the story of a boy named Negative Bob. He couldn't decide whether he should go to this radical party. Because he was so squared, he missed out on 4 awesome chicks. The party was all over at 2 a.m. This is the quadratic formula. We use this formula to solve quadratic equations. We take the numbers given to us in the problem and we plug them into the quadratic formula. Once we solved all the stuff from above, we can now finish solving this. So negative 4 plus 2 divided by 2 is negative 1, and negative 4 minus 2 is negative 6, divided by 2 is negative 3. This is how you solve a quadratic equation. Okay, so let's do recaps. So, let's adjust the camera. So we learned that the formula used to solve quadratic equations is represented by x equals negative b plus or minus radical b squared minus 4 times a times b all over 2a. And we also learned, what we put into this formula is the numbers from the quadratic equation. Ax plus bx plus c equals 0. And from the example problem in the video, ax plus 4x plus 3 equals 0. We pulled out the information that we can to be able to put it in the quadratic formula. So we also learned how to solve a quadratic equation. So we're going to do the example problem how to solve it. So x squared plus 4x plus 3 equals 0. So we're going to pull the information out. And then we're going to plug it into our quadratic formula. So x equals negative 4 plus or minus 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3 all over 2 times 1. So once we solve that, we would get negative 4 plus or minus 2 over 2. So then we would do x minus 4 plus 2 divided by 2. I mean, yeah. Then we would get negative 1, and then we'll do x equals negative 4 minus 2 over 2, and we'll get negative 6 over 2, and then that'll equal negative 3. So this is how you solve for it. Thanks for watching. Bye.